Hello dear students, welcome back. Today we will be learning from a new topic. The name of the topic is The Earth and the Sun from Unit 6. What are day and night? Daytime is when you see the sun from where you are and its light and heat can reach you. Nighttime is when the sun is on the other side of the earth from you and its light and heat don't get to you. So it means when you see the sun is shining in the sky, then it is day. When we don't see the sun, then it's night. So the question is, why is the sun seen in the sky and sometimes don't? When the earth rotates or spins from west to east, only half of it faces the sun. This half which faces the sun has day, and the other half does not get sunlight, has night. When the earth rotates or spins, days changes to night and night changes to day. So the rotation or spinning of the earth causes day and night. If you look at the globe, you will notice that India and USA are on the opposite sides. So when it's day in USA, it's night in India. Can you tell me, if it's night in India, what will it be in USA? It will be day. The earth takes 24 hours to make one complete rotation. That means it takes one whole day. What are the common things that we can see in the sky during the daytime and nighttime? In the daytime, we can see the sun that shines very brightly, clouds, rainbow, kites, airplane, birds, and at night we can see the moon, stars, fireworks, shooting star, bats. The sun is a star. The moon and stars are in the sky during the day. But we cannot usually see them because during the day the sun brightens the sky. The sun is a star. It is the closest star to the earth. The sun is an innermost sphere of extremely hot gas which is continuously shining. It is made of burning gas. The sun gives life to the earth. If there was no sun, the earth would have no life. The sun controls the season. It controls how and when food grows. As we all know, the sun rises in the morning. It rises in the east. And the sun sets in the evening. It sets in the west. The sun looks like a big ball of fire. It is much bigger than the earth. It looks small because it is very far from us. If we travel in a passenger plane from the earth to the sun, we would need 20 years to make it there. From earth, the sun looks like it moves across the sky in the daytime and appears to disappear at night. This is because the earth is spinning. The earth spins about its axis. Now what is axis? Axis is an imaginary line that runs through the middle of the earth between the north and south poles. Never look directly at the bright light sources, especially the sun, with naked eyes or with binoculars, as it is harmful and can blind us permanently. As we have learned earlier in the previous topic that shadows are formed when an opaque object blocks the light source. The sun plays an important role to form a shadow in the daytime. When we are outside on a sunny day, we can see how our shadow change throughout the day. The sun position in the sky affects the length of a shadow. When the sun is low on the horizon, the shadows are long. And when the sun is high in the sky, the shadows are much shorter. The direction of the shadow changes with changes in the direction of the source of light. At different times of the day, your shadow will be different because of the position of the sun. Your shadow is small or short at noon because the sun is above you. In the morning and evening, your shadow will be tall or long. As the sun changes its position, the length of the shadow of an object also changes. Did you notice that the shadow is always formed opposite to the direction of the source of light? Before I conclude, I would like everyone to turn to page number 65, activity 6.3b. You will see a girl measuring the length of the shadow at different times. What do you think will happen? Does the length of a shadow change? Yes, the length of a shadow changes. As the sun changes its position, the length of the shadow of an object also changes. Let us summarize the points one by one. Spinning or rotation of the earth causes day and night. Half part of the earth that faces the sun has day, and the other half part of the earth that is away from the sun has night. The sun is a big ball of fire. We should never look directly at the sun with our naked eyes. The sun looks like it moves because the earth spins. The length of the shadow changes according to the position of the sun. Shadows are short when the sun is high. Shadows are long when the sun is low. This brings an end to the topic of the earth and sun. I hope you have understood. Thank you and take care.